All right, here we go. All right, I got this new WEN Miter Saw. Got it off of Amazon. It's model number MSA330. It was $97.80, so just below $100. I'm not, a commercial or professional woodworker, so hopefully this is just what I need. Just kind of move this in and out of my garage when I use my compound miter saw. I got a video about my DeWalt compound miter saw as well, if you want to check that out. But today I'm going to unbox this. Quick description of the WEN Miter Saw stand is that the design allows the stand to fit nearly every miter saw on the market. It weighs 38 pounds, collapsible rolling stand with two 8-inch never flat wheels for simple transport or storage. It has a sturdy 1.5-inch diameter steel frame that elevates your miter saw up to 33 inches off the ground. It has a 330-pound capacity. You can extend the arms from 32 inches to 79 inches, which allows you to support boards up to 10.5 feet. What it includes is 3 onboard 15 amp 120 volt outlets, 2 height adjustable rollers, quick release brackets, 2 table extensions. It has a powder coat finish and comes with a 2-year warranty. All right, let's get this box open and put this thing together, and then I'm going to bring my DeWalt Miter Saw over and hopefully hook it up onto this miter saw stand. All right, let's go. All right, let's see what we have here. All right. Voila. So on the top here, it looks like it has the miter saw clamps. That you actually screw your miter saw into and then clamp it onto the miter saw stand itself. How about this? Instructions. Instruction manual. Okay, here are the plugs, the outlet, the other roller arm. Just gonna set this stuff on the deck for now. Here's one of the 2 8-inch tires, and it seems fairly sturdy, but the inner piece here is plastic. So I don't know how durable that is over time. There's a handle. Now it looks like the main unit is right here, and it probably lifts all out at once. Let's see. Yep. All right, here's the main unit. And here are some of the knobs and bolts and screws in this little package. And it's even got a little power cord connector for you in case you want to use it. And that's it. Box is empty now. All right, I have everything out. First thing it says to do is to unfold the legs. Press this lever in. You'll see it go in. And this leg should drop. So that's how you get the leg to go down initially. And then it clicks in over here. All right, so I'm going to do that to all these. Looks like this is going to be the front here because it's got the WEN label here, and it has these fold down pieces of metal for stock, for wood stock. All right, so that's step one, getting the legs folded down. So now basically you have your miter stand here. Installing the wheels and axle assembly. So the wheels and axle assembly. To do that, originally you have to put on this piece here, which looks like it has some bolts and screws already ready for it. So what I'll do first is unscrew these, and I'll keep a washer on this side, push it through here, and then put another washer on the underside, and then start these nuts. These nuts go on pretty nicely, smoothly. All right, so it looks like a 1/2-inch crescent wrench and a 5.5 Allen wrench is what, so the Allen wrench sits here, crescent wrench inside here. Let's tighten this. This out of the way, there you go. All right, now it says to slide the wheels onto the axle assembly. All right, here are the retaining rings, and I need to put one on either side. Looks like I am to put the rollers in place, and it looks like this piece here aims inside on either side. So roller here, and they want me to put these knobs. There should be 4 knobs, and they're these triangular type knobs. Go here to basically secure these extenders. Also going to put these on either end to just hold the roller in place for now, so it doesn't go anywhere. Don't want to over tighten and break anything. All right, so those are on. Next is a handle. That'll go like that. This will come up here. That way, and good. These are just Phillips head on the bottom, so it should be pretty easy to do. All right, the handle's installed now. Gotta put these mounting brackets on here. Installing the mounting brackets with the locking handle, figure 6-1, in the unlocked position. Hook the bracket onto the stand's main frames. Lock the brackets into place by gently pressing down the locking levers. Boom, okay, they're on there. It says there is a way here to adjust the clamping pressure. I guess if you do find that your clamps are sliding, you can readjust them and add pressure to it to keep them, locked in. Now I need to mount the miter saw to the stand. All right, so what I'm finding I'm having to do in order to get this to work with my DeWalt miter saw is I have to push this screw up first underneath here, and then because this screw has all this room here, that actually presses on the bottom of the miter saw and doesn't allow the miter saw to seat all the way in there. So what I'm doing now is I'm pushing this up here, and I'm putting 3 of these washers over the top of this just to give me some room to flush up against the bottom of the miter saw. So this will go through the base of the miter saw, and then I'll clamp down with this screw set here on top. Now I will push the screw up through here, hopefully, and then drop the 2 sets of washers down to secure this. So I'll tighten this up, but this is basically how you get this secured underneath the frame of the miter saw, and I'll do the same thing on the other side. All right, I believe I've secured those mounting brackets to the underside of my DeWalt Miter Saw. So what I'm going to do now is attempt to bring it over here and clamp it onto the miter table. This doesn't work, don't laugh, folks. A little over 9.5. A little over 9.5. Okay. Centered enough for me. Clamp down. All right. She should be on. Here goes, folks. All right. All right, so now it's on its wheels, and I should be able to move it around. And if I have to, I can do this as well. Now I can really move it around. Have to make sure I have this. Nice. This is nice. This is what I wanted. I wanted to be able to move this outside, do my cutting outside of the garage so I don't get sawdust all over the garage, and then pull it inside when I'm done. So this is great. And I can just sit it down like this too, I bet. Look at that. I may be able to just leave it in here like this and then bring it outside, pick it up, put the legs out, do my sawing, and then when I'm finished, drop it back down, drag it in here, roll it, sorry, in here after I blow all the sawdust off of it. Let's bring her outside and cut some stuff. All right, here we go. What I've done here is I've already cut this 4x6 right here on this side to make this even. And I've measured it 18 inches across, and I'm gonna cut this piece off with this miter saw and the new WEN Miter Saw Stand. She's plugged in, she's ready to go. All right, here we go. All right, beautiful 18-inch cut piece right here. Here's the rest of it, the end piece that's pretty wasted. And that worked well for me. So now what I'm gonna do is blow off this whole thing with my blower and then bring it inside the garage. So as you can see, I've hooked up the blower to this now, so see how this works. All right, now I'm gonna put this back down and roll it back in the garage. Once I lock it. It's so cool. All right, so I'll put it down here first. right. Now, pick it up, roll her in. Let me do this real quick. All right, now I rolled her back into the garage. I'm gonna set her back up. So I'm gonna lift her up over here, put these legs down. Set up. All right. Good thing is the miter saw stayed on there really well. So, all right, so there you go. That's my brand new WEN Miter Saw Stand. It's the MSA330. Got it off of Amazon for just under $100. If you guys like the video, go ahead and click like. And if you like more of my videos, if you've seen them, check them out. Go ahead and subscribe. We appreciate you guys watching the videos. As you can see, I'm working hard out here out in the sun today. It's probably already 90 degrees. And I'm just having a good time, all right? We appreciate you guys watching the videos, and I hope you guys have a great day, all right? Goodbye.
Take me up to heaven. Yeah, she got me reaching still. Nothing to stop me falling. Who knew that looks could kill? I don't wonder why I'm breathing heavy like the weight of it's on my chest. On my chest, cause it ain't no lie.